Hi friends, hope you're having a very wonderful day. Today is June 1, 2025. So my dear friends, before watching this video, let me tell you that till last week, all our videos were in Malayalam language. Now we have lot of international clients from different part of the world where they are requesting me to do a video in English as well. So from this week, all our videos will be conducted in the English language. So my dear friends, before watching this video, I would like to tell you to go to the previous week's market analysis, which was conducted on May 25, 2025. On the exact 9th minute, I told you that gold is in a supply zone here and the gold might fall to this area. And if the gold is coming to this area, which is 3247 area, you can buy confidently. I hope you remember the statement which I have mentioned on May 25th. Let's see what happened after that. So you can see this is the same chart. See, exactly on the supply zone, exactly on the zone, same chart, same place. Okay. Let's see what happened after that. So I have clicked on the replay bar and we can see what happened after we mentioned this would happen. So you can see that the market started falling from that area and it exactly tapped on 3247 area. You can see that. And from this area, in this video, I told you can buy from this area and you can hold till minimum 3316 range. And the market has given us a target from 3247 range to 3316 range. So currently market is in this stage right now. If you see, it has given us a pips of almost 876 pips. You know what is the value of 876 pips, right? So all our team members are in profit as they have purchased from this area and they have exited at this area. So this week, we are going to check what is going to happen in the coming week, that is from June 1 to June 7. Before that, I would like to show you what happened in gold since last 1 month. So for that, I am going to the chart of forex.com. And my dear friends, I would like to tell you that if you go to the channel of BCORP, you can see multiple videos posted every week. Every Sundays we are posting the pre-market analysis. But still, I would like to mention this in English as well. What happened in gold for the last 1 month. When gold was at the area of 3505, we already started predicting the movement of gold. So I already told that in our videos that gold on April 24, 2025 will come to this range. The range is like, I would like to mention the range as well. So you can see the ranges. That is 3250 to 3191. This was the first range that we mentioned on April 24th. So let's see what happened after this. Before that, I would like to mark all the order blocks and demand zones. So this is a demand zone. This is called as the fib zone. Okay, this is called as the fib zone. And this is an order block zone where market, if market is coming here, would give a great reaction. So this area I would mark as the golden zone. So this is also a buy zone. Okay, I would like to give the color in orange because you need to know this is a golden zone and these all are the demand zones. That's why I'm marking it. Fine. So this is the main demand zone. This is the main demand zone. So I'll give it in green. So the green and orange lines are buy zones. Okay. So as our prediction, from here market have tapped on this mentioned area and has given a small reaction. And when it tapped on this area, we have already given an indication that market would come to a supply zone which is at 3390 range. You can check our previous videos. See, whatever is posted, we cannot change it, right? So this is a sell zone supply zone, and we already mentioned that market would fall from these areas, which is from 3,390 to a range at 3,440. From here, market started reacting. It went up beautifully, and the people have collected like almost around 1,500 pips profit. And from here, market started coming down. Started coming down, and this order block is already taken. So this is gone. This is finished. No need for this order block because it is already tapped here. Okay. Then I mentioned market would come to the golden zone, and it would rise to the next level. See, market has tapped on this area, which is 3,162. It is already here. See, I'll go to the daily time frame of this chart as well. This is Wanda. See, 3,165 range. Here, 3,162, 65, same ranges. After that, when it tapped here, I already predicted again that market would come to next supply zone, which is on 3,361.74 to 3,427. Okay, so this is the next supply zone, and from here our team members have entered, and they have taken a profit of around 2,000 pips from here to here. Let's see, market has tapped on that area perfectly. Like you can see, I mentioned 3,162 range to 3,361 range. This is what is happened here. See, you can see this. Okay, this already happened. We mentioned in our YouTube video as well. Now let's see what happened. Okay, market tapped on that area, and it gave a small reaction to downside. So the people who have entered here with minimum 0.01 lot size have taken minimum $200 here. If you are a person who took 3 trades for 0.01, you would have made a profit of around $600 here. It's not a small amount, my dear friends. Okay, now this is the current market right now. This is the current state of the market right now. Now let's discuss what is going to happen in the coming week. Okay, here I can see the market is ultimately bullish because in 1 day time frame, it has given us an inducement here. See, it has given us an inducement here, and market has tapped on an order block. This is an order block. Okay, for the people who doesn't know what is order block, my dear friends, please know that this video is not only made for new people, it is made for our previous students as well. So you learn it in the coming days, or if you would like to learn it professionally, and you will understand the technical terms. So here, gold has tapped on its order block here, which is a heavy bullish zone, and till here we can say that gold is this is an order block. Fine. Now, to say accurately where would gold come, I'm just giving a small prediction that if gold is coming to the mentioned area, which is 3,213 to 3,362, I am giving this area in orange for you to understand. Okay, from this range to this range, if the gold is reaching to this area like this, if it is coming to this area, you can confidently buy, because the gold will, from here the gold might go and tap to minimum to 3,361 range. Okay, and this is one chance. The second chance is that gold has already taken inducement here, and it has tapped on the order block here. So there are chances from here also gold might go and hit the 3,364 range effortlessly. So if you are a person who bought here, you can definitely hold till this area. And after this, what would happen? There are two chances. Either market would come here and take a pullback. It will give a small reaction, and after that there are chances that market would go up. For me, market is ultimately bullish. Even though there is a untapped demand zone, this is a demand zone. Untapped demand zone on 3,059 and 2,952. I still believe that gold is going to be bullish in the coming days. So I'll give you another confirmation as well. Here, this is the retail support. Okay, for retailers, what will they consider? This line, I'll draw a line here. Retail traders, apart from smart money people, they consider this as a support zone. Okay, so this is in the support zone here, and we'll draw a parallel channel like the retail traders would do. My dear friends, retail trading, smart money trading, every concepts are good if you are making money. Okay, that is the fact. Now here, see, for retail traders, this is a rejection zone and this is a support zone. For them, market have already a support, rejection, support, rejection, support, and it has broken the rejection zone here. Again tapped on, this rejection will become a support once this is broken. So it tapped here and it is ready to go higher as per the retail confirmation. And as per smart money confirmations as well, gold is in a bullish state. So as I mentioned, gold will go directly up from this area, maybe from here it might go up, or it might go up from here, it might come little more down and it might go up like this. This is my prediction, my dear friends. My dear friends, let me tell you that I am a SEBI certified mentor, but I do not have the authority to give you financial advice. I cannot give you financial advice. This is my analysis. I will tell you which is the buy zones. I can tell you from where market would react, but you are the people who should decide how much amount you should invest, what is the risk management you should take. All these things are in your hand. It is not in my hand actually. Take great decisions and try to invest in the buy zones. I have seen many people are buying in the sell zones. Many people buy at this area and start crying, sir, my money is gone. No, not like that. You shouldn't buy at this area. You should buy at the demand areas. This is a demand area. This is a demand area. This is a demand area. Okay, so start buying in the demand areas. So for me guys, as I mentioned, market is ultra bullish. I have nothing else to say. So let's see what is in the news for the upcoming days. For this week, if you click on the high impact newses, you can see that on Monday there is no newses. There is a news on Monday, June 2nd. There is a news. Fed Powell speaks. This time you should be very careful. Then Tuesday, Europe in CPI not an issue. Wednesday we have a news for crude oil inventories. This news also might affect the market. Then initial jobless claims, Thursday. Be very careful on Thursday because we have a news here. Okay. So if you belong to India, you can select the time frame to Kolkata and all. If you belong to Canada, you can select Canada. If you belong to London, you have the London time here. If you belong to Dubai, you have the Dubai time here. Select your time and you can see when the market, when the news is coming. Fine. And on Friday also there is a news, non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate. Like very high impact news. My dear friends, I'll give you a small tip. If the gold forecast or the actual rate of gold is in green, that means if it is coming green here, like if you take the last week, I'll select the last week from May 20 to 31. Let's see. Let's see. See, if it is coming green like this, that means it is positive for gold. Positive for dollar. If it is positive for dollar, definitely gold will go down. 80 to 95% chances gold will go down if dollar is positive. And if dollar is negative like this, okay, if you see this area in the actual area in negative, gold will definitely go high. So when in the next week, for this week, let me see, okay, in this day, which is initial jobless claims or non-farm payrolls, if the gold is in the supply zone, there are chances that gold will react. There are chances that gold will react from this area and come down. And imagine if gold is at this buying zone and news is becoming negative for US dollar, there are chances that gold will go higher from this area as well. Okay, so keep this in mind. If it is in a selling order block and if a news is coming, there are chances that gold will fall. If it is in a buying order block and if the news is coming, there are chances that gold will go higher. Okay, this is the analysis for this week, my dear friends. Every week we'll be posting the analysis. So, my dear friends, I know that most of you guys might not know the technical terminologies. So if you would like to learn trading professionally, please contact us immediately and learn trading professionally, and do analysis like we do. All our students are profitable. They all buy in the demand zone and they sell at the supply zone. As a good trader, you should know where to buy and where to sell. So that's all for this week, my dear friends. Thank you and have a wonderful day.